it's Rob and welcome back to Axel's Garage. We have another Maverick update video for you. Now, if you've been following along, back on September 20th, the last day to order a hybrid Maverick for 23 in that 6-day ordering window that Ford opened up, I ordered a 2023 Maverick XLT, nicely equipped, about 34 after taxes and fees and all that, 34 and a half, let's call it. And I was happy with what I got in the end. Would have been happier if I didn't have to pay all those taxes. But anyway, I ordered it, paid my deposit. They wanted $1,000. Came home. We ordered it between 4 and 5 p.m. So we had plenty of time to get in before that 10 p.m. window. So I go home that night and I'm online watching some Maverick videos, and I'm cruising through some of the Maverick forums, and they're talking about, and people are talking about the confirmation emails that they've been getting from Ford, not from the dealership, from Ford, confirming the order of their Maverick. I have not gotten one. I didn't get one. Now, people are reporting now, and remember, the 15th was the first day for ordering. There were people that got it before they left the dealership. There were people that got it as they were driving out of the parking lot. There were people that got it an hour or two later, people that got it the next morning, all the way up to people posting in forums up to 6 days later, they finally got a confirmation email from Ford. Now, when I left my dealership, my paperwork had my name. They took a copy of my driver's license, had all my information on it. I had everything except for I had a customer number. I did not have an order number on my paperwork, and I didn't realize that when I left. But people said when you get the confirmation email, there's an order number attached to that confirmation email. So I was waiting for it. I did check my junk mail or spam folder because a lot of people reported that that's where it went. And that's why they didn't get it right away, because it was in their spam folder. So I checked my spam folder, nothing. That was Tuesday. It's now Friday morning, and I'm starting to sweat a little bit. I thought I got the right vehicle ordered at the right time, and there's no confirmation. I didn't get that warm, fuzzy feeling from my dealer. And I'll link all the Maverick videos in the description below, and you could follow along the process. I did a pretty in-depth video on how the experience was at my local Ford dealer. So I didn't get anything. So I sent an email over to my salesperson, and I'll read that email to you exactly how I said it to him. I said, "Hey, Mr. Salesperson, this is Rob. I was in Tuesday and ordered a 2023 Maverick XLT. I have still not received any communication from the dealer or Ford confirming my order and giving me an order number. When can I expect confirmation of my order and my order number?" He replied back within a half hour or so. He goes, "Hello, Rob, your order number is blank. When I get a VIN from Ford, I will update you so that you can track it. Have a great weekend. Thank you, Mr. Salesman." Okay, so what happened? Why didn't I get an email from Ford like people are saying I'm supposed to? Well, it could very well be that the dealer checked the box that said no email provided, or whoever filled out whatever that form is online when they placed the order just didn't put my email address in, and that's why I'm not getting it. There are reports that some dealers intentionally don't put the email address in so that they're the intermediary, so that you're dependent on them, and they tell you every step of the way what they want to tell you and how they want to string you along, so to speak. I would have really liked to get an order confirmation from Ford. Now, there is also speculation that the reason why people who have not gotten an email confirmation don't get one is because although the order is done and there's a vehicle reserved for me, the order hasn't been actually submitted as an actual order. There's some kind of like they can say, okay, I have 30 Maverick orders, and they put it in the system, 30 Maverick orders, but they're kind of blank. And then they go back after the sales period opens up, and they have somebody in an office somewhere putting them all in. That's very possible. Also, that's speculation online. It's speculation on some YouTube videos I saw, and it's speculation in the forums. I don't know. Maybe a Ford guy can verify something like that. But I have not gotten any email from Ford, and those are probably the reasons for it. Frustrating a little bit, worrisome a little bit. I don't like that I didn't get anything from Ford. I went on Ford's website. There's no way for me to track anything without an order number and a VIN number. And that order number that he gave me seems like it's a dealer supplied order number. So it's made by the dealer. It's 4 digits, letters and numbers. I don't know if that's the number, the order number that Ford is talking about. I don't know if that's the order number that people are talking about when they get the email confirmation, if that's the order number or is that just one that my dealer is using. I kind of have a hunch that that's my dealer's own generated number and the actual order number is generated by Ford. I don't know. I have no idea, but I'm frustrated. I mean, my salesman did get back to me. He did tell me, give me an order number and say it's in, and he's going to contact me when the VIN is available. It's not like I'm in a big hurry for this. I just want to know and feel more comfortable that my order got in, because my order didn't get in, I'm screwed because the order window is closed. And unless they reopen the order window, there is speculation that they'll do that in October. They'll do a build and price on the website. I don't know how true that is. I don't think they can keep up with demand. I don't know. A lot of I don't knows, but that is my update. A lot of people are having the same issue with not getting an email. I don't know why, and I don't know what to do about it to make me feel a little bit more comfortable. That's my update. Thanks for watching. Check out our other Maverick videos in the playlist and in the description, and we'll see you on the next video.